Welcome to Scope Markets. Let's walk you through how to create your account in just a few simple steps. First, click the Open an Account button on the homepage to access the registration form. On the registration page, enter a valid email address and a secure password, and agree to our privacy policy. Enter your personal details as they appear on your ID document and your address, and provide some information on your family and employment status. Second, tell us about your financial status. What's your annual income range? How much are you looking to invest? And whether you're using your salary or another source of funds. Then tell us about your financial knowledge and experience. How much you've traded over the past years? Have your studies or work given you this experience? And do you know how to use leverage? Verification. You're now ready to verify your account, review and accept our privacy policy, and then provide us with either a valid passport or ID card. Make sure to upload the back and front of your proof of identity. Finally, select and upload the type of document you'd like to use as proof of address. Well done, your account is now verified and you are ready to start trading. Trade like you. Start now.